I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gamma Loomians. Gamma Loomians are incredibly rare, special versions of regular Loomians, boasting unique color palettes and often superior stats. Their base encounter rate is a staggering 1 in 20,000, making them a true prize for any trainer. We will explore the most effective strategies to increase your chances of finding these elusive creatures. To significantly improve your odds, you will want to use specific in-game items. First, equip a charm item which doubles your chances of encountering a rare Loomian. Next, activate a boost token which multiplies your odds by 4. When both are active, your chances are multiplied by 8, turning a 1 in 20,000 into a much more manageable 1 in 2,500. There are several effective strategies for hunting Gamma Loomians. The most straightforward method is to simply encounter as many Loomians as possible in the wild. Consider using the Sweet Scent ability, which attracts multiple Loomians simultaneously, speeding up your encounters. Focus your efforts in areas where your desired Loomian appears frequently, increasing your chances of finding its rare variant. Obtaining a Gamma Loomian is a test of patience and persistence. Due to their extreme rarity, you might spend many hours or even days without finding one. It is crucial not to get discouraged. Keep your boosts active, continue your hunting methods, and remember that every encounter brings you closer to your goal. The reward of finding a Gamma Loomian is truly worth the effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.